It was cozy evening. Ahmed was decorating his home with the buntings and flags. All the roof is looking beautiful with the green and white lights. Suddenly Ahmed looked up and asked his Dada Jan, Dada Jan, why do we love Pakistan so much? His grandfather answered, my dear, Pakistan is our home. Just like you love your room, your toys, your school, we love our country because we are free here to go anywhere with our will. Ahmed was so excited. He has a lot of questions. But Dada Jan, how is Pakistan is our home? My dear, Pakistan here we live, we play, we learn, and we pray in mosques. We are majority here. Islam is our religion. Our family, friends, and teachers are all Muslims, and we love each other. No one can destroy us. So Pakistan takes care of us? Yes, my dear. Pakistan gives us food from its farms, water from its rivers, and safety with its army. Wow, Dada Jan. So if Pakistan gives us so much, what should we do for it? Dada Jan was very happy to listen this. We should keep it clean, study hard, obey rules, and always speak the truth. That's why we make Pakistan stronger. Ahmed was smiling. I understand now, Grandpa. My Dadajan, I will love my country, Pakistan, and take care of it every day. Dadajan was really happy to see the little boy. That's why my smart boy, loving Pakistan means being a good child and a good citizen. We should love Pakistan, it is our home, and taking care of our country makes it strong and beautiful. So, Dada Jan, we will plant a lot of trees because I want to see my country green, just like flag of Pakistan.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Don't forget to tap subscribe, hit like, and share this video with your buddies. Stay tuned with Creative Kids.